All right, Canadian voters, let's talk about spending. And no, I'm not talking about that buddy who never pays you back for lunch. I'm talking about our new Prime Minister Mark Carney and his jaw-dropping spending plans that make Justin Trudeau look downright frugal. So Carney just rolled out his platform. And wow, if you thought Trudeau liked to open the wallet, Carney's basically throwing a money parade. He's promising to ramp up defence spending, blow past that NATO 2% target by 2 years, and toss a cool $30.9 billion into Canada's military in just the next 4 years. What does that actually buy us? Submarines, icebreakers, drones, artillery, air defence, and get this, even quantum computing and AI for the military. It's like he's shopping for the world's most expensive toy box because he's worried about a second Trump term down south and the growing influence of China and Russia in the Arctic. But Carney's not stopping at defence. He wants to Trump-proof Canada by breaking down interprovincial trade barriers, propping up sectors like agriculture and those 500,000 auto jobs at risk, and chasing new trade deals everywhere from Europe to Asia. That's a big, ambitious checklist, and let's be real. It's going to cost us big time. Now, how does he plan to pay for all this? Here's where it gets interesting. Carney's promising income tax cuts, but at the same time, he's also planning to raise taxes on corporations and high earners. Sounds a bit like taking with one hand and giving with the other, right? Plus, he's got his eye on balancing the budget within 3 years, but only by cutting back on public service spending while keeping healthcare and pensions safe. Not everyone's buying what Carney's selling, though. Critics like Brian Lilly are calling this a bad plan. More spending, more taxing, and just hoping for better results. There are real worries about rising deficits and a mounting national debt. Meanwhile, Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre is also talking up defence spending, but he's tying it more closely to fixing our trade relationship with the US and is less gung-ho about that 2% NATO target. Bottom line, Carney's betting big that splashing the cash now will pay off. Maybe it will, or maybe we'll be left counting the costs. Canadians have a choice to make. Is Carney the ambitious visionary we need, or just spending us into deeper trouble? Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you ready for Carney's spending spree, or do you miss Trudeau's tight-fisted ways? If you found this breakdown handy, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-up political talk. Catch you next time.